Hi guys, welcome back to my video, and right now your girl is about to be installing a lace wig for the very first time.
I say you're pretty inside and out, I should let you know. Girl, you're pretty inside and out, I should let you know. You're pretty inside and out, I should let you know.
So if you guys want to see how this video will turn out, is either good or bad. And as I said, this is my first time. I watched a few videos, I don't know how it's supposed to be, but anyways, let's get in. So I would like to give a little review on this glue that I bought. I am not really familiar with what type of glue, etc. to buy, so I just bought this one because I saw a few people using it on TikTok. However, I don't think that this is the right glue for me because it did not hold very long. Yes, it was looking out good in the video and everything did seem fine, but I could guarantee you the next day after I install this, I install it in the night, and the next day after that in the afternoon the wig started to lift, and I personally did not like that because as someone who is doing it for the first time, I don't think that I did anything wrong. I applied 3 layers of the glue. I let it dry in between each layer, and as you can see in the video, I think I did a good enough job of applying it. And I also tried to use the same glue and apply another wig again, and I got the same results. So I personally don't think that this is the right glue for me. Maybe it might work for someone else, but as for me, I don't think that this is the right glue. So I am on a hunt to find the best glue for me to put on wigs. So yeah, I just wanted to give my little 2 cents on that because you guys see me using it. I don't want to give any false advertisement or whatsoever, but I just don't think that this glue is the right one for me. Maybe the one in the red tube or the black tube would have been better. I am not sure. However, you guys will see more videos of me doing things like this and trying out different things for the first time just to learn and understand how it is done. I love to learn new things. I love to advance my skills, whether it's in hair, my craft, my crochet business, or anything at all. So if you guys have any suggestions on things that you guys would like me to try, whether it's a hairstyle or I don't know, something makeup wise, beauty wise, anything, you can always let me know and I will make sure that I do a video trying it out for you guys. Anyways, enough of me yapping. I'm going to let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.
Okay, so I want to leave it for 10 minutes because that's what they recommend, 10 minutes to leave it on. So I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes and then I'm going to see how it is. I'm really good at this. I really have skin, but something is like, everything looks so fast, I feel like, why would it mess up my hair? This is the glue that I'm using. It is Iban, I think. Wonderlace Bond Holding Gel. I will put it on the screen. And then I use the Got To Be gel to stick on my edges. I also have the Got To Be spray.